Hello, everyone. For every user enablement specialist's ability to understand the technology, there comes a moment where you have to make presentations to your leadership. Here are my tips and tricks to make sure that goes well. Let's hop in. Hi, everyone. I'm Karuana with Microsoft 365 Customer Advocacy Group. Welcome to another episode of Coffee in the Cloud. I like to do some segments that are about the power skills that you need as a technologist and a user enablement specialist in this crazy pace of change world that we're dealing with. You can have the greatest user experience strategy, have a really robust adoption and user enablement campaign planned, but if you don't get executive buy-in, you're going to be hard pressed to be successful. Here are my top 3 tips for making those presentations go great. Number 1, meet them where they're at. Many executives don't understand the nuances of technology, and they don't need to for their roles. Too often, I've seen technology professionals or user enablement specialists go too deep in the details too early in their presentation. People don't have context. Your meeting goes off the rails, and you end up rat holing on some policy conversation. That's not your goal. Remember that your goal is to get the executives to sign off on your overall strategy that you can move through with this investment of time and sometimes money. So make sure you're connecting the work that you're doing to the business outcomes that those executives are going to care about. Number 2, proceed with confidence. Having a clear vision that is backed up by a plan with clear milestones gives you confidence to be the one in the room who is projecting a clear path forward. Often, what people need is that feeling that somebody actually knows what they're doing. You are that person. Embrace it, right? Obviously, many organizations might be risk averse, especially with something like Copilot, but you can be confident that you will do the appropriate data governance and Microsoft 365 tenant governance processes before you're rolling out this capability. That is a cornerstone of our enablement toolkit. So proceed with confidence. I don't mean be overconfident, get over your skis, or promise something that you can't deliver, but be sure about your direction, right? Have that conviction that you are going to be able to move forward with the help of Microsoft and other key partners across the business to drive for success. The third part is build into your plan an opportunity to learn. No large scale adoption program goes off flawlessly, whether it's for AI capabilities or any other part of Microsoft 365 or our broad set of services. So make sure that you're addressing that up front. Like you're going to have moments and have learning experiences. You're going to bring those learning experiences back and make sure to iterate your plan based on what you've learned every month. That is a critical part of coming with a growth mindset and really setting expectations with your leadership that whatever happens, you're going to be able to adjust and manage it and mitigate the risk. I can't tell you how often it's been important that I could navigate the difficulties that my programs have had over time. My programs don't go any more smoothly than yours do. There's always an issue, but it's really how you respond to those issues, how you learn from them, how you remain flexible and positive in the face of difficulty that will set you apart as a user enablement specialist. I hope these 3 tips are helpful to you. Just remember, have confidence, have a plan. Don't rat hole on the details before people actually understand the concept of what you're trying to deliver for the business, and be willing to learn and grow along the way. I think that these are skills that all of us as technology professionals can learn more of. And if you want to learn more of them, then go and take our Community Skills Challenge. Not only is there foundational and very important Microsoft 365 technical information in our course, but more of these power skills in the form of classes that you can take right online as you get your Community Skills Challenge badge. So go and do that today. Invest in yourself. This is a fantastic time to continue to grow your career, and we're here to help. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.